So the other day I was in Hobby Lobby and I was just browsing the store. In the back corner they usually have dollhouse stuff. And I don't know if you ever noticed, but they are scaled 1/24 scale. So if you're ever building a diorama, they're pretty cool. Stuff like doors and some stuff that you can get away with. But they didn't have these kits before, or at least I didn't see them. And then this was the first time, and I thought, well, $17 ain't gonna hurt nothing to buy one of those. When I got it home and I opened it up, this thing is actually quite full. And so, if you see on there, it has the unassembled house, furniture and accessory pieces. It even has glue and alcohol, scissors, a knife, a roller, screwdriver, tweezers, and instructions. What they didn't say is also they have a bunch of stuff that's printed out on sheets that you can cut and do the detailing with. So, as you can see, it comes pretty darn full. So you got clear glue, your white glue, big bag full of stuff, another bag full of stuff, I have this out but I need to put it away, just a clear sheet. Good sized instruction book. All those sheets I was talking about, this one has books and fabrics in it and stuff. Flooring, the walls. Base plate. That's the floor and the roof. Here's all the walls. And then it does come with those tools. And pretty much everything you need to make the kit. So let's look in these one bags and see what they got in those. So this is, they got all the bags labeled, so I probably won't go too far into it. That way it's easier to install. But we have a bunch of little wood pieces. It kind of reminds me of what a Lego set looks like. They're already pre-painted and everything. If I get that one, there you can see it. Got some neat scroll work on some of these. Looks like windows and doors, fencing material. Some more other scroll pieces. Window frames and just a bunch of wood pieces in that one. This bag has a lot of little details and a lot of fabrics and stuff. So there's a chair in this kit. It's got LED lights. It even comes with the batteries. Little switch and battery holder. So I might have to do a little bit of soldering. This one has a bunch of fabrics, strings. We got a foam block, some things you use that look at flowers, flower pots. The weird beads that you can use for lights and stuff. There's a little metal bead. sure for like light or light. So when you're done with these kits, they're not like a super detailed one like that 1/35 scale stuff, but they actually look pretty good. I think I'm going to give it a shot and have it as a backdrop for some of my builds. So look for that in the future. You get to see that all get done. Until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.